You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen. And the question goes like this: it says, draw full size in either first or third angle projection the following views of the jig body in the figure below. A sectional front elevation taken on the cutting plane XX, right? This XX is here, the section of it. B, an end elevation and full dimension, right? Including the title block. So we'll start. Since we are told to reproduce in first angle projection, I would like to redraw this figure in order to give you a better understanding of what they are trying to talk about. So drawing this figure, this is what we are going to be having. Now I have reproduced the figure here, which you can see on the screen. Now the next thing we have to do is to draw the four cardinal points. I call it my quadrant. That is very important. That's what we need to do. First of all, when you are told you should draw an orthographic projection, the first thing you have to do is you draw your four cardinal points, right? Your projection lines. I call it the quadrant. Now place it here, and I'm going to draw the vertical line, and I also draw the horizontal line. You can see that. So at this point, they are meeting here. At any given radius, maybe 5 or 10, whatever your choice, please at the center you mark up, mark down, mark left, and what? And right also. And you take it this way. And you take it this way. And you do this too. From here, you do the same thing here too. Right? And you also do the same thing here too. Now this is the first thing you do when you are told to draw in orthographic projection. Now we are told either we draw in front elevation, in first angle projection, or we draw in what? In third angle projection. Now we're drawing in first angle projection, right? So my elevation, my front elevation will be the direction of the x. Look at this direction you're seeing from that diagram. X here, we're looking at this point here, right? So if you're looking at here from this direction, what will you be seeing? So if I'm looking from direction, this is what I am going to be seeing. So this is what we have here, right? When you're looking at it from this side. So this is what you're going to place here. So we know that from here to here is given to be 100. So we'll start measuring from here and measure 100. It's facing this side. So I'll come here and measure what 100. Now take it up. So the next one is the height. From here to here, we know very well it is what? 44. So I'll measure the height of what? 44. Use 44 here. And I'll close it up. Now the next thing is from here to here, we know it is 38. So I'm going to measure 38. This is 38 here. Right? I'll just bring it down a little bit. And the depth from here to here is given to be 13. So I'll measure 13. 0 to 13. Right? 0 to what? 13. Is that taken? And I'm going to draw the hidden line there. This, and this. And from here to here, we are giving it to be what? From the base, we have 19 coming down, right? So from the base, we have from here to here is 19. So I'm going to measure 19 upward, right? So measure 19 from here. This is 19, and I'm going to close it up this way, and everything down here is closed up this way, and here too is closed up this way. Here to here is closed up this way. Here also is closed up this way, and here also is closed up this way. And the next thing we have here is the thickness. We know that from here to here is given to be 13, then 38, right? So I'll measure 13 from here. This is 13 here, then 38, and this is 38 here. This is 38 here. So this is where it is coming down. But before I bring it down, the height from here to here is what? Is 6. So I'll measure 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yes. And going in through this way. And this will now come down and stop there. And this two will come down and stop there. And the next one is the circle that we have here, right? This given circle that is here. To get to that point, we're going to measure a distance of what? 13. So from here, I'll measure distance of 13. 13, 13. This is 13, right? And the diameter is what? We told that two of them have a diameter of 6, right? So I'll just measure the 6 here. I'll measure 13 from up here, from here to this point. Okay, 13, 0, this is 13 here, right? Hidden line. And that means from here to here, we were told it's 19 meter in. This on my set square from diagram, right? This is 19 here. Now connect this. Now close it up there to this point here. Then what else again? The other one, to get to that point, is down to 19 meter up from here. From here to here, from here to this center is 19, right? So I'm measure 19 from this point. This is 19 here, right? And the thickness there is what? Is 10. So I'm going to measure 10, right? Then since I measured, right, 13 from here to here, here also will be what? I'm going to take that out so that I can easily connect this. Is 19? Yeah, it is 19. Here it's coming down. I'm going to do this. Stop here. So this is what we have here. If we are not told it is sectioned, this will be our answer. But now we are not told that this is divided into two. There's a section plane here, right? Height. So we like to draw the section plane. Section plane means all the hidden line will become what? Visible, right? All the hidden line will become what? Visible. So this hidden line will become what? Visible, because we are sectioning it. Here to become what? Visible. Here will become what? Visible. Everything will be visible, right? And these two will be visible. Is that taken? Then this will be visible. Here too will be visible. Here too will be visible. Right? Now I will now section them using my section, my 45-degree set square. So I'm going to section this. This will be sectioned this way. And these two will be sectioned this way. is what we have here. And these two. Then this will go the other way. So can put it this way. I can easily do this too. I can just take it the other way around. And I'm supposed to do this too. This will now be thickened together with this. So if that's the case, another section here. I'm not mistaken. Right? So this is what we have when you section that plane here. That is what you're going to be what having when you section the plane. This is a true, right? So that what we'll be having there when you section what? You section the plane. I can decide to remove this. The next thing should be the plan. So to get the plan of this figure here, you just have to, this is what you see when you're looking at it from the top. This is what we have here. Looking at it from the top, you see all this, which is this, this, and this inclined line here. So it will be as if on the same straight line because of when you're looking at anything from an height, to be on the same level. So here and here on the same level, here and here they're all on the same level, right? So I'm going to replicate this and put here. So that's what I'm going to have. So you just project this down. So the thickness here is just this, which is given to be 64. I'm going to measure 64 from here. 0, 64. Now close it up. Then bring all this down. Bring all this down. All this down. This down too. This down. This down. And this down. Right? So we get the center. The center of 64 is 32. So from here to this point, right? And to actually get the center of it, I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure to get the center of this, right? The radius of that circle there. So it is given to be 18. So the radius here will be 9. So I'll measure 9 on my meter rule. And I'll place it here. I'll mark 9 in. Then I'll come here. I'll draw a kind of semicircle this way. I'll come here also. 9 in. I'll measure another semicircle this way. So I'll just join this with my rule. So I can now take in this. Right? And this will be shown as a straight line. So taken. This also will be seen as a straight line. Here too, I'll close it up. Here too, I'll close it up. And the next one will be, I'm going to measure from here to here is 13, so I'll measure 13 on both sides. 0 to 13 and 0 to 13. So the next one will be 20. So from here to here, I'll measure 20. 0 to 20, then 0, 10, 20. So I'll just change them here. It's 13 here. So I'll change them here. And here. Right? And the next one will be the circle. So this one is here. So get the center. So you measure 13. Is it 13? You're going to measure 13 from behind here. From 0 to 13 here. Right? So that will we still have the same thing here. Then there will be 10. So I measure 10. Here too, 10. And I'll draw this. So where they meet will be the center. So they are meeting here and here. So that will be the center. That way I'm gonna take the radius of 6 of 3. It's too small. Very, very small. Right? So if I take 3 here, it's too small. So better still, I'll just use this to help myself out. So if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching. 6. Right? And the next one is the bigger one, which has a diameter of 10. So that is 19. You measure 19 from here, where it ends. 0 to 19. This here. So that is where I'm going to measure radius of 5. Now place it here. I'm going to draw a circle. All together. So this is what we have. Then the hidden line. So I'll measure 7 from this side here. 0 to 7. 7 to hidden. Then here too. That is the plan. So the next one will be the end elevation, looking at it from this side. This is what you're going to draw at this point here, using your 45 degrees set square on this point here. So you project all this to this side, and this here. Then this, all this side, just bring them out. Then all these two, you bring them out. These two end here. If I where they meet this inclined line, I'm going to push them up this way. So it means that here is thickened. This one too. Here's also taken. Then this end here, from here to here, is taken too. Then this one too, is taken too. Now the next one is I can easily close this. Then close this too. Right? And for the next one here is this and this. So I'll take them up. So this is coming up. Yes, taken here. And this is also coming up. And it's taken here. The next one is this. Touch here. Touch here. Now take it up. Coming up, taking it. Coming up, taking it. So I'll just close here. From here to this point. And from here to this point. And here too. From here straight down here. Right? Then the next one will be this circle here. I'll just project the center. This is the center, right? Just take it up. So and the diameter is 10. So I'll just take my compass and I'll measure 5. And I'll place it here. 5, 5. So it's coming down. Hidden. Then the next one is this, right? Now we have this also. We're going to see a straight line here. Then this one coming. Try this. Touch here. This also touch here. And you take it up. So where it meets is another hidden line. There's from here to here. And this one too. And here to here. So what does again? Then the circles. I usually project the center. Or better still, I just measure 10, 10. From the front, that will be 10, 10 here. From there, this is 10. Then this is another what? Another 10. So, and that will be 3, 3, 6, right? So I place it this way from 4. So 3 millimeter on both sides. So I'll bring it down. Just this way. And this one too. Here's what I need here. Let's see. Center 3, 3. This is what we have here. So we successfully reproduce the figure that is displayed on the screen. This is in first angle projection. If this is coming here and this is going up here, automatically this will come down and this will go up, and that will be in third angle projection. So this is first angle, and this is the given view, the section view XX, the plan, and the end elevation. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.